In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to upload your notes as a note taker. The first thing that I suggest you do is create a homepage tab on your phone for the Note Taker Network. You'll want to type in uwsuper.edu/disability. Once you get to the Disability Support Services webpage, scroll down and click on Note Taker Network. This is the page that I would suggest that you create a home page icon on your phone. If you click on the upper right hand corner 3 dots, you can click there and you'll see Add to Home Screen. And this now creates a specific button right on the home screen of your phone so that you can continuously go to this. If you are working directly from your phone, you can upload your notes directly from this drop-off portal. The first thing that you would do is type in your username, and then you would type in the name of the course of which you are dropping notes off of in this box. Another way that you can do this is go to the desktop version of the Disability Support Services webpage. Obviously, this looks very similar to the web-based version. You would click on Note Taker Network, and then enter your username and your course and hit Submit. The third and final way that you can submit notes as a note taker is actually logging into the system itself. UWS Accommodate has an account for every UW Superior student, regardless of whether or not you actually utilize disability support services. In this instance, you would click on Returning Disability Support Services Users for Students, and then click UW Superior Student, since that's who you are. In this instance, we've already logged in using our same UWS credentials that we use for email and eHive, and we're going to go across the top and we'll see Note Taker Network is there. If we click on that, we'll be able to see that we're in the Notes drop-off page where we can drop off notes for another student. Again, we can click through and pick the classes that we are doing notes for, leave a title for the notes, a description of the notes, and then actually upload the notes here. Please note that there is an option for large uploads on this file, and enter the notes that the dates are taken. All of this information is very important for you and the student who's receiving your notes to receive properly. Thank you so much.